Welcome back to my channel. And today we're playing this Roblox game. It's called Feed the Hungry Noob. It's basically you feed the hungry noob, and he swallows 3 MV seeds, and he swallows all. And when you respawn, guys, you'll get here. Napunta kayo dito, guys. Tapos kayo dito. Tapos guys, close nyo yun. Tapos pagkatapos nyo, erase food. Tapos i-close nyo to, guys. Kasi tingnan natin kung ma-erase lahat talaga ng food. Ayun, no. Hindi na-erase. Then guys, dropping on. Ano to, guys? I think he went to toilet. Yan, guys. Ew! Sabat pala siya pumupunta. Ew, guys. Napunta tayo sa toilet. Yan, guys. Tapos pag nag-reset tayo, guys. Tapos mapa-flash to lahat. Alam ko, guys. Good fight. Guys, ano yun? Look. Yan, guys, tingnan natin kung nawala yung mga food by going into his mouth. Yan, guys. Ayun nga, nawala nga, guys. Yan, guys, mayroong namatay. Na. Ayan, guys. So if you're watching this in December 26, 2025, I will set this on private on 2026. If you're lucky, you're here. You're just here in time. And I will set it on private on January 1, 2026. Na-flash din ako. Yan, guys, na-flash din tayo. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Saan tayo? Saan ako? Dito. Ayun, guys. Alam ko na, i-feed ko yung noob. With some mark. Firework. Ayan, guys. Maglagay tayo ng ice creams. Hindi tayo maiit yan, guys. Ayan, o. Yan, guys. Maglalagay lang tayo nito. Maglalagay lang tayo ng madaming ice creams. And it would be full. And when he's full, he's gonna explode. Yan guys. Ay, pangalan pala nito guys is Feed the Hungry Noob. Yun guys, dami. Diba? Ang dami. Look, ano yan? Oh, his back. Yan guys. Tapos maglagay lang tayo ng ice cream. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ding 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 ding. Then guys, I think we're escaping his pack. Yan guys. 6 or 7. 6-7 guys. 6-7. You're trying to push me away, bro. Bro. I'm trying to escape his path. His smelly back. And you're just doing this to me. How could you? And guys, escape the bat. Escape his bat. But this is pushing me. This is pushing me. Okay, guys. Okay. I think I'll escape, guys. It's just off this cone. Yan guys. I just that concept. Yan guys, we escaped. Yun. Lalagay tayo ng madaming marshmallows dito. Yan guys. Hindi ko alam. 1, 2, 3, go! Yun. Yun. Macaroni! Ay! Sayang guys! Ay! Alam ko na. Ay! No! Sigama boy! Oh. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, like.